Attention all teachers. Do you find yourself struggling to effectively teach students in your classroom who are constantly dependent on your assistance and instruction? Do you also find yourself questioning whether or not you have solid, genuine relationships with all of your students? Or maybe you struggle with personally relating to some of your students due to their difference in culture. If you answered yes to any of these questions, you should extremely reconsider changing your current teaching methods. But to what, you might ask? Culturally responsive teaching, that's what. But what is culturally responsive teaching? It is a method style of teaching designed by former English teacher and current professional development coach and author Zaretta Hammond. It is simply an engagement strategy designed to motivate racially and diverse students. And when practiced correctly, it can get underperforming students of color who are caught on the wrong side of the achievement gap ready for rigorous learning by building their brain power. You can find out more about this style of teaching and how you and your students can benefit from its unique framework by reading and applying these methods in the book Culturally Responsive Teaching and the Brain, written by Zaretta Hammond. You can order your copy today on Amazon.com for an astonishing low price of $27.84. So don't miss out or postpone getting this life-changing guide for teaching because it truly has the strategies and power to positively change your students' future.